Hi, Mark here. Trust you're well. For well over a decade now, I've been helping other photographers understand the ecosystem of Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, sprinkled with Photoshop skills as a photographer. And I do this by hosting live events, 7 p.m. UK time. So what's happening this week? Well, Monday the 6th of July, it's our support session, up to an hour, where you can come along and ask your questions. How does this tool work? How can I achieve this outcome? Is my workflow holding me back? These are the type of questions that are asked. On Tuesday the 7th of July, 7 p.m. as usual, it's our Lightroom Classic Skills Session. And we're going to look at what's new in 15.4. Wednesday, the 8th of June, is our editing sessions. And we're going to be looking at more tools for photographers. And then Thursday, the 9th of July, it's understanding albums in Lightroom. That's on our phone, Lightroom desktop, on a tablet, on a web browser, how we can share albums and how they talk back to Lightroom Classic. So that's the Thursday, the 9th of July. I hope you'd like to come and join us. Just visit lightroommark.co.uk/events and all my upcoming events will appear in front of you. Take care, stay safe and happy editing.